Hello, welcome back to everyone. My name is YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So, in today's video, what we are going to learn. So, in last video, we have seen currency, how to create currency, base currency, assign currency to customer, assign vendor to customer, currency exchange rate. So, in today's video, we are going to learn like item masters. In the item master we have different module like item master. In the item master, pricing, item type. So now today we'll learn inventory part. What are the inventory items? Serialized item, lot number. So yes, first of all, what is an item? Let's have an introduction to the item. In NetSuite, items are the fundamental component used in sale, whatever it may be, to buy something or sell something or sale, purchase, inventory management. Each item type services are is a different business need. From tracking physical stock to managing services, NetSuite categorize the item into different types based on their function. Inventory item used to for the tracking the stock levels. Non-inventory item used for goods that are not stocked. So inventory item basically that is not maintaining the stock level. Service item that is providing a service like Wi-Fi service or IT sector service. They can provide like based on hourly um, charging. Uh, on the hourly basis they can provide the service. Matrix item, it's like a combination of for different thing like for t-shirt. So in the t-shirt we have a different color, different size. So clothes, these are called an matrix item. So today we'll see inventory items. So when we're talking about inventory item, what does it mean by inventory item? Inventory item represent physical product that a company stocks, sells, track in NetSuite. They require inventory item, inventory management and valuation. Key features of that inventory items. Quantity is tracked in real time. Costing method including FIFO, first in, first out, last in, last out, LIFO, and average cost can be used in purchase order, sales order, invoice, and item fulfillment record. For example, laptop, system, mouse, mobile, keyboard. These call as inventory items. In basically, if you say that assets of that company that are going to be used like laptop, systems, monitor. These are called as an inventory item. This item is physically stocked in a warehouse, and where inventory levels are tracked when purchased or sold. So now we can see how to create an inventory item. First, we need to go to navigation, navigate to list, accounting, at items, new, select an inventory item. Then we need to provide the details of each details to track item name or number, unique identifier number for the product, measure of units, whatever it may be, how it can measure. Suppose we are buying the laptop, then we need to take each item or each box. So we cannot use in measurement of kilograms. So that is not good thing. Vendor details. If we have preferred vendor, then we can assign the vendor details. Set pricing inventory detail, base price, selling price for the customer, costing method, record, reorder, point and safety, stock, help in inventory replenishment, location-wise stock availability. Okay, let's have a look. So here, navigate to account list, accounting, item, item. So we have a filter drop down. So in the filter, we can select like inventory items. So it will give the list of all the inventory item. So if we want to create a new, then just click here, new inventory item, and here we can see inventory item. In the inventory item, there I have a sub item like lot number item, serialized item. This is also the part of that inventory items. So just click on inventory item, and here give the name. What should be the name? Like this one, Apple 16 with 500 GB display name. The display name, if you have vendor name, vendor specific vendor, preferred vendor. If you want to make it this inventory item for all the subsidiary, then we can give the for including child subsidiary. So whenever we are selecting that invoice or sales order for the customer who are having that child subsidiary access, we are assigned that child subsidiary, then those customer also, for those customer also we can provide this inventory item. If we are not selecting, then only it will be accessed based on a parent level. And EFT code for identification. If you want to give any short form name, then maximum number that character in the field or as an internal ID or number to store the items in UFO code, UFC code. And unit type, here we can select for suppose each primary stock unit each. Form will be by default it will select this one also, it will select by default. Once we will select unit type, here we can give the description what is the use of this item, like this is the iPhone. So this iPhone is with awesome features or some quality picture camera, and whatever that the things we can provide the details, like here we can define the base price in the sense like when default price. So when we are selecting the item to sell, then default price will be required or populate here. So suppose for a 15 for 60,000, so we can define 60,000 the base price. So if we give alternate price, then we can give some discount based on price quantity. Suppose the base alternate price should be like five 1,000 or 2,000 less. Then like this we can different various price more level for this item. And price purchase is not required. Purchase costing method, average cost, first in first out, last in last out, the total value of that assets. Purchase, if you purchase, then what was the description you can provide, like what is the use of this inventory item. The stock description we can define on the purchase level. And here we have to define the accounting, like COGS accounting, expense account, cost and goods of material for this account, and asset account, not as asset, office expense or operating or traveling or equipment or any machinery things. Then we can define here if the item is taxable or not. Then if we are paying the tax for this item, we can select the taxable item. Yeah, and this is the important part of that accounting part. So now we can just that's it. We can save it, so it will create an inventory item. So I will show you how we have created one inventory items. Yeah, so this is one of the inventory item we have just created. So laptop, MacBook Pro. So the display name will be this. So vendor code. If you have a specific vendor, preferred vendor, that for that vendor you want to sold this inventory item. So you can give including children's society, so it will be available for all. If you have a location category wise differentiate, if you want to make it stock in this level, then you can select that. In the here you can add the image for that items. So suppose this is the laptop, so we have added the laptop image. Here we have given that description, sales descriptions. Here we have defined that base price. Base price is 1,80,000. Alternate price 1,75,000. So like this, we can define the base price in the Indian currency. Also, we can define in the Indian currency. Also, we can define some prices. So, for example, for Indian currency price, Indian currency is one like 90,000. Base price. Suppose there is a discount of 5,000. We can define the. So this is the base price and this alternate price. So whenever transaction will create based on line quantity. Why line quantity item? So line quantity item in the sense it will calculate the discount based on each line. Here we have so many things by overall item quantity, by overall parent quantity. So we have four features for option we can select. These things we will discuss in pricing module. Don't worry about that. Then the accounting we have select the office expense and assets, the operating expense and income revenue, taxable. So these are the accounting details we can define. Then we can just verify cross check once all the details are correct. Then we can save it. This is the way. And here we can add. Sorry for disturb. I didn't explain that how to add image. Just click here. Here, if the image is already uploaded in the file cabinet, so if any image we want to upload is anywhere, then first of all we have to upload in the file cabinet. In the location we have to upload the image, whatever it may be. So once we uploaded this image file here, then we can proceed to the next, or else we can directly upload in that place, current place where we want to display that image. If we are uploading that image in file cabinet, from here we can select, we can access the location in which location we have given for the image. Suppose in the image folder we have given. So where is my image folder? Yeah, from image folder, they see that my image, laptop image. So here, from here we can select, or else if we don't want, then just click on plus icon and browse from your system directly. So it will also work. From here also we can browse, and we can save it. So then the image will be up display on the item level like this. So this is the way how we can upload the image to display that item in the level. Yeah. Yeah, this is that inventory item. Just we have seen how to create the inventory item and how to update that image. So for that's it for today. Let's see in the next video. So in the next video, we'll learn serialized item, lot number items, and one by one all the things we'll go through each type wise. So for today, that's it. Thank you for watching my your video. Please, thanks. Add your comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button for latest NetSuite tips and tutorials. Happy learning. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.